In this world, we are told from childhood, success is something to be proud of, failure is something to avoid. Thus, many people live their entire lives in the shadow of fear of failure, afraid to begin, afraid to try, afraid to take that first step. But Taoism tells us, all things change, without fixed form. Those who admit failure have burnt hearts. Those who see growth have weak hearts. There is no true failure in life. You either succeed or you grow. Most people are simply accustomed to dwelling on pain, forgetting to raise their sights. Taoism speaks of achieving success without dwelling on it, meaning, achievement is not for possession, boasting, or dependence. It is simply a natural result that comes with the flow. We often think success is the core of life, but Taoism believes success is merely a natural product of effort, accumulation, perseverance, and opportunity. It is not something to be fought for, but rather, it comes naturally after following one's own rhythm, like a river flowing to the sea. It doesn't rely on brute force to crash against the world, but rather on going with the flow, constantly progressing, to ultimately reach its destination. When you focus on growth, success will naturally follow. When you focus on success, you're more likely to lose your way. From a Taoist perspective, so-called failure is merely a reminder between you and the world. It doesn't negate you, but tells you, try a different approach, and you walk more steadily. Change your mindset, and you go further. Failure is actually a force, but a force in the opposite direction. It pushes you not forward, but inward. Inwardly see your shortcomings. Inwardly seek new paths. Inwardly accumulate strength, and then go outward. Therefore, failure is not an obstacle, but an echo of life, reminding you that you are moving towards a more mature self. Taoism values naturalness, and growth is the most natural life process. A tree never worries about when it will grow taller. It only does one thing: grow upwards and send its roots downwards. It doesn't envy other trees that grow quickly, nor does it belittle its own slow growth. It simply adheres to its own rhythm. Your life is the same. Growth isn't about passionate excitement, but about quiet, steady progress. It's not about overnight success, but about not being defeated by difficulties. Growth is getting up after each fall. It's about persisting when no one understands. It's about moving forward despite confusion. It's about learning gentleness in pain. It's about believing in the light even in the storm. When you go earnestly, the world will quietly make way for you in places you can see. The easiest way to live is to treat everything as a form of spiritual practice, every experience as practice. The people you meet are practice. The setbacks you experience are practice. The grievances you feel are practice. The fears you overcome are practice. Your daily efforts are also practice. When you view life this way, nothing can defeat you, because you know you're not losing, but practicing becoming stronger. Practice makes perfect, and it becomes your ability. Overcoming obstacles makes it your perspective. Life isn't a competition, but a journey of continuous self-cultivation. There is no failure in life, because every setback shapes your resilience. Every grievance increases your wisdom. Every disappointment leads you to see deeper. You haven't failed. You're simply becoming a stronger version of yourself. Taoism says, great talents mature late. Many people's success is achieved gradually, Many people's growth is accumulated little by little. Many people's brilliance is achieved in silence. So don't rush, don't be afraid, and don't deny yourself. Take each step carefully, see the meaning behind every fall, and accept the growth brought by every turning point. Ultimately, you will understand there is no failure in life, only success or growth.